Good morning, children. Welcome back to the class, session number 27. Already we have finished our chapter number 4, right? And I have given you the question answers. Multiple choice, one word answers, true or false are there. I'll give you as a in the next section. I'm going to give you the homework. And in the brain teasers, we have already finished. No, first one I told you. Once again, I want to explain the first one in the brain teaser because many of you have not written. Here they have given the 1. How do you say in mathematics about the 1? 1 once. What is the place of the 1? 1 once. Then here, how many ones are there? 2. And what are there 2? Only 1. How many are there ones? Any ones ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ 2 ఉన్నాయి. ఏమున్నాయి? 1. Next. How many 2s are there? 1. How many 2s are there? 1. And here how many digits are there? 2 ones are there. This is a digit now called 2 and 2 ones are there. And 1 ones are there. Any ones unnai? 1 ones. It is like logical, okay? Now next. Now how many ones are there? 1. How many 2s are there? 2. And 2 2s are there, 1 1s are there. Okay. Next, how many 1s are there? 2 1s. Next, how many 3s are there? How many 1s are there? 3 1s. And how many 2s are there? 2 2s are there. And how many 1s are there? 2. Next, how many 3s are there? 1 3s. And how many 1s are there? 1. How many 3s are there? 1 3s and 1 1s. And how many 2s are there? 2 2s are there. And how many 1s are there? 2 1s are there. So like this you have to learn. It's very simple. Just now next. Now how many 1s are there? 1 1s. And how many 3s are there? 1 3s. Okay. Now next, how many 2s are there? 2. How many 1s are there? 2 1s. Next, 2 1s are there. Now how many 2s are there? 3 2s. And how many 1s are there? 1 1s. This is the answer. It's just like a reasonable thinking. Very easy. How many are there that you have written? That's all. Now next, chapter number 5, food and health. Health is wealth goes a well-known saying. But then what is health? చాలాసార్లు విన్నాం కదా మనం ఫుడ్ అండ్ హెల్త్. హెల్త్ ఈజ్ వెల్త్ అంటారు. అంటే ఏంటి? ఆరోగ్యమే మహాభాగ్యం. వై? హెల్త్ ఈజ్ ఎ వర్డ్ యూస్ టు డిస్క్రైబ్ హౌ యువర్ బాడీ ఫీల్స్. మనం ఎలా ఉన్నదని చెప్పేది మన హెల్త్ మాత్రమే. బీయింగ్ హెల్త్ ఈజ్ ఫీలింగ్ గుడ్. హౌ హెల్తీ ఆర్ యూ? ఆన్సర్ దీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్. బీయింగ్ హెల్త్ ఈజ్ వెరీ గుడ్. Do you have a good appetite? Appetite అంటే ఆకలి చక్కగా వేస్తుందా మీకు? నెక్స్ట్, do you feel active and energetic all the day? డే అంతా మీరు యాక్టివ్గా ఉంటారా, ఎనర్జెటిక్గా? If it is yes, write there yes. If it is no, write there no. Next, do you feel cheerful always? ఎప్పుడు స్మైలింగ్తోనే ఉంటారా మీరు? Do you fall sick too often? ఎక్కువగా మీకు జ్వరము, జలుబు, దగ్గు అని వస్తుంటాయా? నెక్స్ట్ వన్, do you learn and understand things quickly? ఏదైనా చెప్తే వెంటనే మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా? Do you participate in sports? గేమ్స్ ఆడతారా మీరు? నెక్స్ట్, do you feel tired all the time? ఎప్పుడు నీరసంగా టైర్డ్గా ఉంటారా? నెక్స్ట్, do you have a glowing skin? చార్మింగ్ స్కిన్. మీ స్కిన్ ఫ్రెష్గా ఉంటుందా ఎప్పుడు? Do you sleep well? చక్కగా నిద్రపడుతుందా మీకు? Do you feel fresh all the day? డే అంతా ఫ్రెష్గానే అనిపిస్తుందా మీకు? Do you have the right height and weight of your age? మీ ఏజ్ తగ్గట్టు హైట్ వెయిట్ ఉంటుందా? So when you're having all these, yes, then you are having good health. Then you're having good health. Do you know World Health Day falls on 7th April? 7th April World Health Day గా డిక్లేర్ చేశారు. You can stay healthy if you eat the right kind of food. మనం ఎప్పుడు హెల్తీగా ఉంటాము ఎప్పుడైతే మనం ప్రాపర్ ఫుడ్ తీసుకుంటామో. Healthy food gives you the energy you need for all your activities. మనం ఏం చేయాలని ఎనర్జీ కావాలి కదా. What? If you want to wear the school bag, if you want to climb a tree, if you want for a ride on a cycle, if you want to play with friends, if you want to do any work, for everything we need energy, at least to talk, right? So energy ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది? When you eat a proper kind of food, it helps to build your bones and muscles. And what does the food do? It also helps our bones and muscles to be strong. It repairs and replaces the worn out cells of our body. As already we have learned, and in further classes we will be learning, that our body is made up of a single cell. ప్రతి ఒక్క లివింగ్ ఆర్గానిజం, this is called as a cell. Our body is made up of a cell. If the cell is damaged or repaired, then the food that we eat will help to repair the damaged cell. It also keeps all the systems working. Our body is having digestive system, అంటే ఫుడ్ డైజెషన్ అవుతుంది కదా అది. ఎక్స్క్రీటరీ సిస్టమ్ అంటే విల్ గో ఫర్ ద వాష్రూమ్, ద విల్ రిమూవ్, స్వెట్ విల్ కమ్ అవుట్ ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ బాడీ, toilet will come out from the body, that is called excretion. So excretory system is there in our body, digestive system is there, and blood circulates in our body, no? So circulatory system is there in our body, and we are inhaling the air, oxygen, and giving out carbon dioxide. So this is a respiratory system. So and the nerves are working in our body, mind panchasundra manadi, this is about the nervous system. So all these systems are in your body. When you take proper diet, these systems will work. So it is important for you to take healthy food. What is healthy food? Let us learn. So మనకి ఇదన్నీ చక్కగా ఉండాలంటే మనం హెల్తీ ఫుడ్ తీసుకోవాలి. హెల్తీ ఫుడ్ అంటే ఏంటి? They have given in healthy food milk, eggs, meat, dal, fish, soya milk, fruit, vegetables, rice, chapati, bread, sugar, potato, oil, ghee, butter. All these comes under healthy food. This is about a balanced diet. This is called as a balanced diet. Your diet should include foods from all the food groups. A diet which has adequate amount of different nutrients required for healthy functioning of your body is called a balanced diet. So, the food that you take in lunchtime or dinner time, you should take a balanced diet. So, what is balanced diet? Daily you are eating the same kind of food? No. మీరు రోజు పప్పే తింటున్నారా? ఆర్ యూ ఈటింగ్ డైలీ ఎగ్స్? No. Daily we are taking different kinds of food, right? మమ్మీ రోజు ఒకటే కర్రీ చేస్తుందా? మార్నింగ్ విల్ టేక్స్ లైక్ ఇడ్లీ, దోశ అండ్ ఆల్. ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ విల్ టేక్ రైస్ విత్ సమ్ అదర్ వెజిటేబుల్, కర్డ్, అండ్ నైట్ టైమ్ sometimes we'll make chapatis. Other than that, what you'll eat? Sometimes you'll eat the biryani, sometimes you'll eat the junk food, right? Like cakes, biscuits, chocolates, and etc. etc. And sometimes you'll take the fruit juices and all. So our body needs a balanced diet. Balanced diet is a good food and which makes you healthy. What is a balanced diet? The food that contains carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, proteins, etc. So ఏ ఫుడ్ లో అయితే ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఎ బ్యాలెన్స్ డైట్. హౌ టు మేక్ యువర్ ఫుడ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ డైట్? ఎలా మన ఫుడ్ ని బ్యాలెన్స్ డైట్ చేయాలి? సో వెన్ యూ ఆర్ ఈటింగ్ ఫుడ్ యూ షుడ్ సీ దట్ యువర్ ఫుడ్ షుడ్ కంటైన్ రైస్. రైస్లో కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ ఉంటుంది, ఎగ్లో ప్రోటీన్ ఉంటుంది, ఓకే, and leafy vegetable like spinach or anything contains iron food, okay. Next curd, next dal, okay, and morning when you are taking you can take the milk, so etc. So don't eat only with one kind, you have to eat the food with 2-3 types. Sometimes you will take no డైలీ ఐ విల్ ఈట్ దాల్ ఓన్లీ, నేను రోజు పప్పు తింటాను, నాకు వేరే కర్రీస్ వద్దు అంటారు. ఇఫ్ డైలీ యూ ఈట్ ద దాల్, వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్, యుల్ గెట్ ఓన్లీ ద ప్రోటీన్. దెన్ వాట్ అబౌట్ ద మెగ్నీషియం దట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ ద లీఫీ వెజిటేబుల్? అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ సమ్టైమ్స్ విల్ యాడ్ కర్డ్, ఇట్స్ ఆల్సో వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. Egg is also very important, like that. So whatever food you are taking, you should see that your food should contain balanced diet. Your meal మనం తీసుకునే ఫుడ్ ఎప్పుడు బ్యాలెన్స్ డైట్గా ఉండాలి. ఆల్ షుడ్ బి దేర్ ఇన్ దట్ ఫుడ్. దెన్ యూ విల్ బీ హెల్తీ. Don't take only same kind of food. See, egg contains proteins. Not only egg, there are some other foods. And in all the curries, we'll use the oil. So oil is necessary for our body. Fat is necessary, but not in large quantity, only little quantity. Ghee, neyi kuda fat. So daily, everything you'll not put the ghee, no? Only for the first first 2 days you'll eat it. Next time you'll get the poor. So not like that. You can use the ghee, but in little quantity. For only 2-3 sips you'll take the ghee, and afterwards whole food you cannot eat with the ghee. So like that, you should see that your food should contain a balanced diet that is useful for your body. Your homework is to write. This is all for today. Your homework is to write the keywords one time from this lesson, page number 226. Learn and write keywords of this lesson, page number 227, one time. Lesson number 5, keywords. Learn and write one time neatly. This is all now for today, children. Thank you.